So, afternoon folks, looks like we've got a bit of a slight problem. Turn that on, very, very little. We've got this one, which doesn't even work. Look, drip. So the idea is to take him off, take him to like the wall anyway, clean it, take it back to here, connect this back to that, and put a new tap on there, just like that. Now you might need some tape or some washer for that. So that's what the plan of today is. So the first thing to do, go and find the source of the water, which I've already done, and I'll show you that now. There he is. Okay, make sure it's the right one. Perfect. Leave that on for a second. Just gonna give that a bit of stick, and that's it. That should come undone. It's already loose. It wasn't good, was it? So. Okay, take him off. Okay, so I've took that off and just show you. It's just, I can't see any bush in that. Oh, is it on there? No, there's nothing on there. Okay, let's cut that. Okay, so I put a spanner, focus, on the main body, and then I'm turning the tap, and the tap's coming on quite easy actually. There we go. I can't really show you that, can I? Right, balancing it. Yep. Just popped on a pipe cutter. Hopefully it's sharp enough to do the job. I think I'm going the right way. It doesn't look very good, does it? Looks like an old one. There we go. Beautiful job. I'm going to take some of that crap off now. So I've put the olive on, pushed him on nice and tight, so I'm just going to tighten him up. I'm going to put a tap in there, and then hopefully it's done the job with a bit of luck, and then we'll re-tap that to the wall later. Okay, so using the big spanner and hold it on the outside, and use this one on the small one. Tighten up clockwise, and we should be good to go. Okay, last bit. Tighten him up. You're probably guaranteeing and it's not going to line up properly. Oh, we're doing all right. Oh, look at that. Not bad. Turn him off. Let's go and turn the water on. Fingers crossed. Nice and slow. Oop. Slipped. Oh, here we go. Sorry about the filming. Right, let's go and see. Look at that. Not a single leak, drip or anything. Let's make sure it works. Okay, so there you go, easy, easy, peasy, weasy. So I did put a olive in that. I don't know why I didn't have one. Oh, turn that off. My mate's going to fit that tomorrow because I'm going home now, so that'll just be fitted like that against the wall. That'll go back like that. So fantastic. That's it. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and a like. That would be great, and we'll catch you in the next one. All the best.